Let's unpack the number of consequences India faced by Pakistan in year 2025 and in the initial phases of year 2026. The post Pahalgam attack, Pakistan armed forces remained victorious over India. Pakistan Air Force shot down 6 Rafale Indian jets. Moreover, Pakistan banned its airspace for Indian military, Indian cargo, and Indian passengers aircrafts, which resulted into an enormous loss for their airspace agencies. Now, a recent development has taken place where, upon the government approval, the Pakistan cricket team has been forbidden. In fact, has chosen not to play with India in the upcoming T20 World Cup matches held in February 2026 particularly. If you did not know, let's unpack and unfold this fact to you that International Cricket Cup ICC and Geostar, which is an Indian cricket reliance industry owned by Mukesh Ambani, these two organizations had a pact, had an agreement signed for 2023 till 2027, where an arrangement of 3 billion US dollars was made during the matches, all the tournament matches, whether they were test, whether they were T20, or whether they were one day World Cups. And more particularly, the matches which are played between Pakistan and India are actually the most lucrative sporting contest and make a lot of money, whether from the advertising premiums, from the downstream commercial activities, or ticket sales. Alone, Pakistan and India, when compete in the playgrounds together, their match has a worth around 250 million US dollars. Now, upon the consensus between the Pakistan Cricket Board, Pakistan cricket team in itself, and upon the approval of the Pakistani government, Pakistan cricket team has chosen not to play with India in the playgrounds in the upcoming T20 matches that are going to be held in February 2026, which has cost the Indian broadcasters particularly around 250 to 500 million US dollars. If you don't know, let's unleash this fact that the ticket sales, the advertising premiums, and the downstream commercial activities in entirety constitute to make a huge number of wealth, particularly for the Indian broadcasters in the international cricket club. But this time, the Pakistan cricket team has chosen not to play with the Indian team that in the match that was scheduled for February 16th or February 17th, 2026, and thus bearing a huge and enormous loss for the Indian Cricket Board and for the Indian cricket team, and particularly their broadcasters that are bearing the loss of around 250 to 500 million US dollars. This was another event, or this was another attempt to make it even with India from the Pakistani nation, from the Pakistani government, and now by the Pakistani cricket team by forbidding to play with Indian matches and thus bearing them an enormous loss and a tarnished international image for India. Do tell us in the comment section, what do you say and how do you think about this new governmental and Pakistan Cricket Board's step? What do you think would be the long-term consequences for the Indian Cricket Board nearby due to this international tarnished image on one hand and this enormous loss of 250 to 500 million US dollars in the Indian Cricket Board on the other hand?